Sit right, all of you. Be quiet. Don't talk. This is the concave mirror, which is right down, which is made from a glass sphere. Right down, which is made from a glass sphere. Glass sphere. Here, the center point is center of curvature, and this is the focus on the principal axis. On the principal axis. On the principal axis. If the object is right down fast ga. If the object is in front of the mirror, if the object is in front of the mirror, in front of the concave mirror, the sign of the mirror, the sign of the object, the sign of the DO is positive. DO is positive, and front, this is front side, this is behind side. The object is in front of the concave mirror, the sign of the DO is positive, that is denoted by plus VE. And if the image is second point, if the image is in front of the concave mirror, the sign of don't talk, the sign of the DI, that is DI is also positive, write down in the same way, positive. Third one is if the focus is in front of the concave mirror, the sign SIGN, the sign of the focus is the sign of the focus is positive. These are the three important points which you make sure to remember. All these facts. Here DO means distance of object, and DI means distance of image, and focus which is between focal point and pole of the concave mirror, which is called as focal length. Here focal length. These are the three important points which you have to remember for solving the problem in the examination or in our school book. Next, what is this? What is this? Solve this problem. Solve this problem. Pause it. Focal length as focal length. Focal length. Focal length as focal length as 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters, and DO is equal to 24 centimeters. 24 centimeters. Find DI and magnification. Find DI and write down magnification. Find DI and magnification. Here we will have to take sit right. Don't tell. Here we will have to take equation. Here we will have to take equation 1 over F is equal to 1 over DO by DO plus 1 over by DI. First we will have to find DI. Write down. Don't make any noise. DO over by D. What is given here? 1 over F is equal to, first listen it. What is 1 by F is equal to? F is how much given? 8 over. 8 means 1 by plus 8, not minus 8, is equal to 1 by, what is DO? 24 centimeters. DO is 24 centimeters plus 1 over DI. What is the common? What is common CD? Common denominator. What is common denominator for this problem? Tell me. What is the common denominator? What is common denominator?
DI.
What is common denominator? 24 into DI. Common denominator is 24 DI. What is that? 24 DI. 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by DI is multiplied by throughout 24 DI. And next you will have to distribute 24 DI all the numerators. 24 DI by 8 is equal to 24 DI by 24 DI into 1, 24 DI by 24 plus 24 DI by DI. 24 DI. Here DI is cancelled. We have left over 24. Here 24 cancel. We have left over 1 DI. Here 8 3s are 24. 3 DI we have left to 3 DI. 3 DI is equal to 1 DI plus 24. If the 1 DI transfer this side, what is remained? 3 DI minus 1 DI is equal to 24. Then DI is equal to 2 DI is equal to 24. DI is equal to 24 by 2. DI is equal to 24 by 2, that is 12 centimeter. The distance of image is 12 centimeters. The distance of image is 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters. If the DI is, write down. If the DI is, or listening to it. If the DI is, distance of image is in positive, the the image would be inverted, don't go, inverted and real image and real. If the DI is in positive, the image will be inverted and real. So here we have taken that, we have taken don't go, we have taken focal length is equal to 8 centimeter and DO is equal to 24 centimeter. Let us do the problem by applying the equation 1 by 4. What is the image? 1 by 4 or 1 by 8? 1 by 8 or 1 by 4? 1 by 8, this is 1 by 8 here. 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by DI. Therefore, we have taken common denominator as 24 DI. Now let us go to magnification. What is the formula for magnification? Let us go over to the magnification. What is the formula for magnification? M is equal to DI by DO. DI by DO. Write down. M is equal to distance of image by DO is equal to, here we have got to DO minus DI. This is minus of DI 12 by 24. 12 by 24. What we have left here? What we have left over here? 20 by 12 by 24 is equal to minus half. Minus half. What is the minus half? It is lesser than object or more than object. It is called absolute value. What do you call it? Absolute value is, what is this? Absolute value is what is that? Minus half. Here object is how much? Object is 24 centimeter distance and the image of distance is 12. What do you get? Magnification. What do you get? Minus half. Now let us draw the ray diagram. Point is called as 4. This point is called 4 on the principal axis. Here the object is where? This is focus. This is focal point. This is center of curvature. This is center of curvature. Isn't it? Here is the object. The distance between object is how much? The distance between object is how much? The distance between object is how much?
12 centimeters.
Distance DO. DO is how much? Listen it. DO is how much? Close it. DO is how much? Tell me. DO is how much? 24 centimeters. DO is 24 centimeters. 24 centimeters. The first ray, what is the ray 1? Here ray 1, this ray 1 reflects until it hits the concave mirror. Until it hits close it. Until it hits concave mirror. Then which way it will go? Which way it will reflect? Which way it will reflect? Through focus. Through focus. Okay. And parallel ray becomes slant ray. Parallel ray becomes slant ray. Another ray, second ray, where it goes? Second ray, where it goes? Through what is that? Through center of curvature. and reflect backs వేరు reflect back వేరు reflect back slant ray slant okay center of curvature no focus also you can take it okay where is it reflect here slant ray listen it slant ray becomes parallel ray which is also called listen it which is also called paraxial ray. What is that? Parallel is also called as paraxial ray. Important point for 1 mark. Parallel ray becomes slant ray becomes parallel which bisects between C and F. Where is bisects between C and F? It is inverted as we have seen, that is minus. What is magnification is in minus. Magnification is in minus. That the image is inverted real. Inverted and real. That object, that the image is half of the object. That image is half of the object. If what is that? What is that? Half of the object. Half of the object. Next magnification is what is that? Magnification is its height of image by height of object. Here if you compare, don't go. If you compare di by do is equal to hi by ho is equal to m. What is m? Magnification is equal to, listen to the formula. M is equal to di by do is equal to hi by ho. What is m here? Magnification is what is that? Magnification is minus half is equal to what is hi? Who don't know hi? Do you know hi? Yes. What is ho? What is height of the image? How much? Height of image is equal to minus half is equal to height of image is equal to how much? Hi by ho or ho by hi? Ho by hi. This is ho by hi. I have written a mistake. You should see that ho by hi. See what is that hi? Hy is equal to what is that? Hi is equal to how much? Hi is equal to how much? Hy is equal to how much? Hi is equal to how much? Hy is equal to how much? Hy how much? 2. Dy is, if you compare it with do or hi by ho? Hi by ho.